teacher holds a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. This is me, Radhya, and here's a small token of appreciation from class 2B. I am grateful for all your hard work and efforts. Thank you, teachers, for turning tiny seeds into mighty plants.
Dear teachers, thank you very much for helping us, guiding us, and inspiring us during this tough time. You are not only teachers, you are our friends and second parents. Thank you.
Dear teachers, thank you for your love, kindness, and patience. We all love you.
Thank you, teacher. You are very kind, lovely, and like a friend of all students. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for your continued support and guidance. We will always be grateful to you. Thank you, teachers, for making e-learning fun. And thank you for all you've been doing for us.
Dedicated to all the teachers of 2B. You made us comfortable during the e-learning process also. Thank you so much.
Dear teachers, your patience is endless and your passion is so evident. Thank you.
Dear ma'am, you are best teacher in the world. You teach me well and you make me happy. Thank you. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us to learn during this tough time. Thanks for the motivation. Thank you so much, teachers, for this wonderful e-learning classes. Teachers, you did everything to make your class fun and exciting through this e-learning. Thank you, teachers.
To have the best teacher in the world. I will always remember you. Thank you for being an excellent guide.
Dear teacher, you teach me good and you make me feel e-learning very easy. Thank you, teacher.
Dear teachers, your guidance is the biggest blessing any of us can have. Thank you for everything.
Dear teachers, I know your job is stressful and the hours are long, but you are always kind and patient. Thank you very much.
In this tough situation of life, my teacher supported me every day and showed me a new path of hope. Thank you for all your supports and efforts.
Dear ma'am, thank you for your patience, hard work, kindness, generosity. Your push to be the best is very helpful and your encouraging attitude pushes me to my limits. Thank you.
Dear teachers, you made us comfortable during the e-learning process also. Thank you so much.
Thank you all my teachers for encouraging me and helping me to learn, work hard and achieve my goals.
Dear teachers, you are very kind and teach us very well. Also, you all work hard preparing the PPT. Thank you very much all the teachers for taking efforts to teach us.
Thank you all teachers for making our studies easy and thank you for your kindness. Thank you.
Teachers for your support, guidance and all the hard work that you do for us.
Thank you all the teachers for your patience in dealing with us. Dear teachers, thank you for exploring the new ways to do things. You all are such wonderful teachers. Thank you. Thank you for this patience in making us understand the lessons through e-learning. You are the best ma'am. Dear teacher, you are the most important role in my life. I'd like to thank you for your support and kind words. Dear teacher, I am so grateful that you are my teacher. Your encouragement and positivity brightened my days. Thank you.